That took you from what, 74 to 77? Is that
Oh,
about?
it was only a 1 year
Oh,
postdoc.
okay, 1 year,
Yeah.
and then back to Geopeko.
Back to Geopeko. I was stationed at Mount Morgan then, a very ongoing mining operation there. A 50 million tonne ore deposit going about 5 grams of gold and a 1.5% copper.
So the focus then was gold exploration, Eastern Australia. Is that?
Yes, and particularly because the ore was running out at Mount Morgan, particularly to search for other massive sulphides, within 100 kilometres of Mount Morgan.
And so this work had you based in Queensland from, was it 74 to 83?
No, it was a 5 year stint.
Okay.
And at that time, I was lucky enough to be involved in a discovery of a small massive sulphide in the Mount Chalmers area. That was very exciting.
So was that a VHMS type?
Yes, that's right, a
Okay.
copper gold
Yeah.
deposit.
And how did you find that one?
Well, it was interesting. The data was all there. It was just a matter of drilling the hole. In that the previous company had done IP surveys and geochemistry
And then run out of money?
they hadn't interpreted the geology correctly.
Ah, okay.
But it was quite obvious to me. I did a bit of mapping there and put the story together that there was a fold structure, and this IP anomaly that had been defined but never drilled was sitting at the peak of this second fold. And if the geology was right, then there should be a deposit under that, and we drilled it and came up with massive sulphide stringer. And I'll never forget the day I was sitting next to that old hammer drill and watching all these chips of chalcopyrite come up out of the hole.
One of those days you'll never forget.
Exactly, yeah.
And what year was that?
Gee, what year was that? That's a good question. It must have been about 75, 76.